Hi guys, it's Kelly Latevola and I am back again for day 2 of our birthday celebration release. I'm super excited. So we are going to be starting out with the Spring Chicks stamp and die set as soon as I get it together here to show it to you. And like I told you yesterday, there's kind of like some theme things. So all of these, even though they're separate sets, kind of work together. So this is the Spring Chicks, which I think is totally adorable. So they have like a bunch of different eggs, little cracked eggs. So you can, like the little chicks were, broken out of their little cracked eggs. They have a whole egg also, which would be cute just on its own, like to do like a multiple egg Easter card or something like that. These are totally adorable. And they have the matching dies, including there's like 2 little bows, like a little bow tie or like a little bow in the chick's hair. I just think that whole idea is really, really cute. And then with these, they also have the new Eggcellent, like Eggcellent. I know, it's like super cute. But these have really fun ones. My favorite one is at the bottom and it says shake your tail feathers because I just think that's fun. But this also has matching dies. You can see on like the left hand side, there are some sentiments that are already paired together, a script with a, like the more predominantly straight font. So the dies will cut those out. Like I think your Excellent, the one feeling cooped up, what's the other one say? Sometimes it says something really cute that I would totally use. Sometimes you just have to say cluck it. Cluck chickens. It's adorable. Anyway, this is the chicken coop. So it's obviously large enough to create a card from, and then you would put your little chicken or your hen, rooster, which have you in there. Then moving on to the next thing, the next little bunch grouping, the flower pots card dies. So these again are big enough so that you can create a card, like a shaped card out of them. The one on the left hand side kind of already has the flowers, like a bouquet built into it, and then just die cut the flowers separately and kind of glue them where they belong. A couple little extra leaves and the inside of the flowers. So these are totally adorable. And then the cottage window die. So I think this is, first of all, I just love I love windows, period. I just love how much light they let in, and I think they're adorable. But this one, so you can do the shutters, so like you could open, you know what I mean? You could open the shutters. You could do curtains there at the bottom. I have like a little awning at the top. So anyway, just like any way you wanted to design your own window, that would work. The next up is Thanks a Bunch. This is again a stamp set, but it has coordinating dies. You Brighten My Day, Hello Beautiful, You're a Keeper. I really like that one. And then the dies that cut out those kind of larger, already created sentiments. They have a couple of other ones in there that are a little bit smaller for you to make your own. The Happy at the bottom, the script Happy, also has a die in this, so you could do like, oh, happy day, or happy birthday, or happy everything, happy, happy, happy. Speaking of happy, this one makes me super happy because I love butterflies. I just love them. It's like one of those things that any kind of card you want to make, you can make. It's just so just versatile. I love butterfly stamps. So I'm very excited about these. I like that there is a butterfly that looks like, they have a bunch of butterflies that are straight on, but they have a butterfly that looks to the left and a butterfly that looks to the right, which I think is super important because when you're building a card layout, if your sentiment is to the left, then you want a butterfly that's going to be looking at that to bring attention to the sentiment. Versus if it's on the right, you want a butterfly that's going to look at it there to, bring attention there. And then this also has coordinating dies with it. And so I think that's pretty much it for day 2. I hope that you are heading over to the blog to check out all the inspiration there. Just want to note again, in case you missed yesterday's video, if you spend $35, you get a free B stamp. If you spend $75, you get a free B stamp and the die. And then if you spend $100, you get the free B stamp, the die, and then our exclusive enamel pin, which is not for purchase. So just a couple of little extra things that we're trying to give away in order to say thank you. And that's it. So I will see you guys for day number 3. Thanks very much for stopping by.